It feels like mountain fish. So, these are common so if you can hear to the first should stay living in place because this one's gonna go hot in this year. You can live in it and from on top of it. So yes, put that down in the comments area below. Get out of here. Water, 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 water. Yeah. Go. I'm trying to get it. Spoiled. I'm not gonna mind the outside even though it would be as much. Hold on, it will. Clean choice. So what's in here? We must never keep motivation. Go mountain fish. Mountain fish. Cheers. Put out water. So some episodes sometimes it's sad. So also good and comment oh no. Oh comment. You're going to feel inside of now. Well, come on, there's a secret entrance right here. Let's go inside his body. As it's inside his mouth. Maybe I'm gonna fall down here. It's total doom. I'm gonna do myself. So if you're not really it would be sad, but not really. It's probably long and really pretty sad. It's so weird. So what are you doing? I mean, keep on things. to commentators. So if you leave a comment, please choose your way. And here we go, and so I will explain something to set up in here. I knew that you will do that in exit save. Now I need to put that in this streak and okay. Usually they next week they will something decided actually. If we comment again, turned out well with the comments and maybe it might not be until like the math most likely take the time.